What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about Floki anew, but before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Okay, so Floki versus the US dollar, and we're here on Binance. Let's start doing some analysis here. First, you guys can see that we do have a triangle pattern here on Floki anew, and we're breaking bullish out of this triangle pattern with volume. You can see we're starting to see some volume coming in down here, which is a really good sign. That shows a lot of bullish momentum. It means that we're probably going to push right up to this major resistance here and right up to this major resistance here. The target of this pattern would take us up to these levels, in which case we're going to see a bunch of short-term price action on the upside. And the percentage gains in the near future are pretty good here. We're talking about 40% basically up to the next resistance, and almost 60% to the next resistance. So that's pretty dang good percentage gains if you ask me. The other thing I want to talk a little bit about today is we're breaking bullish out of a bullish flag pattern. Now, the bullish flag pattern is one of the most easy to spot, successful, and powerful trading patterns that I personally know of. So to see a break bullish out of a bullish flag pattern like this is a very good sign. This shows that we're going to see a lot more upside momentum from here and really see a breakup above this major all-time high, in which case we'll be in price discovery and the sky is the limit. So yeah, keep an eye on this bullish flag. We're breaking bullish out of the bullish flag. We're also breaking bullish out of that triangle pattern. Now let's talk a little bit about the Elliott wave structure here, because there's beautiful Elliott waves painted here on this chart as well. You can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Then we get our ABC correction back down, wave A, wave B, and wave C. And you guys, when I was talking about Pepe, I mentioned to you guys that, hey, Pepe fell onto the 618. Go watch my Pepe video if you haven't yet. It's on my channel here. You guys can go over to my videos and go back and watch this Pepe video. But I also talked about Pepe in this video right here, top meme coins. So I talked about it before it broke out the first time, and I talked about it before it broke out the second time right here. Floki is doing the same setup as when I talked about it the second time. The same setup as Pepe is when I talked about it the second time. So in this video right here, Pepe is following the super bullish pattern. Floki is basically the same point as Pepe was in that video. And Pepe did go ahead and break up to those resistance levels, go up to the next resistance level. And as you guys know, Pepe is taking off exactly as we planned it would as we speak. So it's really exciting to see these coins following our trading plans, following everything that we've learned, talked about in these videos for a long time. And it's really awesome to see that technical analysis playing out so perfectly. So that 618 level right here, that level is called the Vegas wave or the golden ratio. And it's found throughout nature. It's a Fibonacci ratio, and it's a great place to buy. So to see a bounce off of that level is very bullish here for Floki. Like I said, we're breaking bullish out of a bullish flag pattern, but that bullish flag lines up perfectly with the Elliott waves. You guys can see we can draw the flag, and it just perfectly matches up with this ABC and perfectly matches up with this 618 level. So yeah, beautiful cycle here starting on Floki anew. The other thing that you guys can see here in the bigger picture, we also have an Elliott wave one wave. Wave 1, wave 2. The reason we're breaking bullish out of a flag pattern is because we're getting ready for our Elliott wave 3 wave. And if you guys don't know, Elliott wave 3 waves are bigger than Elliott wave 1 waves. So they're more impulsive, they're more parabolic, they're more profitable, and they're a lot of fun. They also have more volume. So you can see all this volume down here on Floki. That's about to increase even more as we break out in wave 3 here with Floki anew. So yeah, you guys, I think a bunch of people are going to make a ton of money, including myself. I've been buying Floki as we speak. I just bought more before I made this video. And a lot of people are going to be millionaires as a result of this coin. Not to mention countless other coins. Meme coins are doing good this cycle. So a lot of people say, Dallin, why do you trade meme coins? Why don't you go find a coin that has amazing fundamentals or some coin that has, something about it that's super special? Well, the reason I do is because I trade these markets to make money. And I don't know about you guys, but most investors and traders trade to make money, right? That's the purpose of investing, is so that you can get a return on your investment. So I truly don't care what stuff does. I really only care in the degree in which I would use that as a technology because it's cool and helpful and crypto's cool. But the main thing when I'm investing and trading these markets, I'm looking to make money, right? That's what I want to do, is earn money in these markets. And crypto is a great way to make money completely honestly in 2024 very quickly with not that much effort. Yes, you do have to learn stuff. Yes, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. There's stuff you got to learn, but you can make honest money investing in crypto in 2024 very easily. It's not that hard. So yeah, I trade these coins to make money. And it really, yes, I do care about what some of these coins do. Like I study the fundamentals for the purpose of using it as a technology. But when it comes to coins like Floki, the reason that we buy this coin is to make money, right? That's the reason why people buy stocks. That's the reason why people buy gold. That's the reason why people buy almost anything, is they're trying to get a return on their investment. And if that's not your goal, you're a pretty bad investor, right? So who cares what the coin does? Who cares? It's going to turn a profit. It's going to turn a profit for you. And as an investor, as a technical analyst, that is the thing that you should be focused on. And you should stop caring so much about being right and start caring more about being rich. Because a lot of people let their fundamental perspective on the market get in the way of buying a coin that's going to give them 50 times their profit, 50 times their initial investment in profit, right? So stop thinking like that and start thinking like, okay, what coin is going to go the most up in value, and buy that. Who cares what it does? Yes, I believe in crypto technology 100%. I 100% believe in crypto as a technology. And I totally support blockchains that are developing new technology that's actually going to be useful for the world. But when it comes to investing and trading, the first thing I look at is what will turn profit. And that's the first thing that any professional investor should be looking at, or trader. So yeah, you guys, stop letting your ego get in the way of buying some of these coins like Pepe, like Floki, like Dogecoin. Who cares if it's going to do 50 times in value? Who cares if it's not the next Ethereum? If it's not the next, right? If it doesn't have some fundamental use case, who cares? Our purpose is to turn profit, right? I don't know any investor that puts money into something hoping that they don't get a return. That's not investing. It's called wasting your time. So yeah, I know a lot of people get mad at meme coins. Oh, all these dumb people buying Pepe. You guys are just mad because you're not riding the profit. You'd be totally in on it if you guys were making money with everybody else, but you're mad because you bought all these coins because you thought they were supposed to do something special, and they haven't even moved. And then Floki and Pepe are mooning, and you're just mad that you're not making money. So let go of your pride and stop caring so much about being right and start caring about being rich. That's my message for you guys today. All the people that are wondering about meme coins and whether they should invest in them or not. Is it going to go up in value? Do you want to turn a profit? Does the chart show a powerful trading pattern that's going to go up in value like Floki, like Pepe, which we called before it mooned? You know, Pepe, we called Pepe before it mooned. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just telling you guys, technical analysis works. And whatever coin is showing a good setup, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to share it with you guys because my purpose is to make money and help you guys make money in these markets. And the best way to say is to earn money because only the mint makes money. Everybody else has to earn money. And the best way to earn money, in my opinion, is to buy coins that are going to go up in value. That's not even really an opinion. It's just truth. You know, if you put your money in something that doesn't move, you can't earn very much money. So the best way to honestly earn money in the crypto markets is to find those coins with good setups. And that's exactly what Floki is right now and what Pepe is still. But yeah, this video I made, I was just showing you guys, hey, this thing is going to moon. Pepe is going to moon. And people are just now realizing what I'm saying by chart patterns and human emotion moves markets, not fundamentals, not news. If it was fundamentals and news, meme coins wouldn't moon, okay? But because human emotion moves markets, and if demand increases, price will increase. Everybody's always talking about supply too. They're like, supply, what about supply, you know? What if the supply of something is really high? Okay, if the supply is really high, then the price is going to be very low. That's also attractive for new investors. Not everybody wants to buy a $70,000 Bitcoin. Some people want to buy something that's worth less than a penny. There's an attraction to that. So stop worrying about supply. If demand increases and the chart pattern is good, it's going to go up in value no matter what people say. Right? No matter what people's opinion about whether it's useful, whether it's, you know, whether the news likes it or doesn't like it. If demand is increasing, price will increase. And you can see that in the chart with Elliott waves, with volume, with market cycles, and with technical analysis, all the stuff that we talk about in these videos. So you guys, get ready for some big moves coming on Floki. And a lot of other coins like Pepe is, like I said, is already starting to break out. There's a bunch of coins breaking out, and that doesn't mean that I don't care about other coins, right? I love Chainlink. Chainlink has a very powerful fundamental use case, all right, among a lot of other coins that have powerful fundamental use case. But instead of buying more Chainlink today, which is a good buy, I'm not saying it's not, I bought Floki anew because it's going to make me more money. So that's the way I look at these markets. You know, we were looking at Pepe. We called Pepe before the first pump. I called it on this channel right here. That little green dot right there, that's where we made the first Pepe video because of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, right? Nothing to have to do with fundamentals, nothing to have to do with news, nothing to have to do with what the coin does. Because an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and it mooned. And then again, we bought it right here and started making videos talking about it, even in the Discord. And it's mooning again. So fundamentals don't move markets. Chart patterns, human emotion moves markets. You can see it in the chart before it happens. Show me the chart and I'll tell you the news. So yeah, you guys, I'm very, very excited about Floki anew, about Pepe. We got a bunch of meme coins starting to break out. The bull market is just starting, you guys. So a lot of people are saying, oh, it's look, things are already going up. We should probably start selling. People are scared. They want to sell early. I'm here to tell you guys this is going to be the biggest bull market in crypto human history. Okay, the biggest crypto bull market we've ever seen. The biggest crypto bull market in human history is just starting right now. And we're just getting started. Imagine like the very, very little beginning of it. And it's going to last longer than people expect. It's going to start sooner than people expect. And it's going to be bigger than people expect. And I'm not going to miss out on it. I don't know about you guys. I'm not scared to buy the dip. Scared money doesn't make money. Yes, there's been a short-term dip over the past month or two in crypto. Not all of them. Like I'm making money on Pepe as we speak. Right? It's only some coins that have went down. Scared money doesn't make money. We're going to see more upside. Get ready for a big moon. That's my views on Floki Inu. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. As always, stay profitable out there.